Hello everyone, this is my complete 13-piece knife set that I purchased recently. And let's do some unboxing stuff. Hopefully these are all good. These are steak knives and there are 3. One paring knife, then scissors. This is still steak knife. A fillet knife. Knife for cheese. Chop and scoop knife. Rock and chef knife. One of this type of knife. This one is a carver knife. Oh, another steak knife. So there are 4 steak knives. This one is slicer. Then still slicer. So there are 2 slicer knives. These are all stainless steel blades and ergonomic riveted handles, precision control for quick chopping, cutting, and slicing. I'm excited to use this. I'm excited to explore how to use these knives. These are all complete and it even has a bonus slicer. So I'm excited to use all of these. Then I have this sharpener too, where I use to sharpen all these knives. So overall, it seems all good. I'm very much happy with my purchase. Thank you, Lazada. I will put down a link below if you're interested to purchase like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.